What kind of a person are you? Are you Mr. Fiery or Mr. Friendly? What do you like about your wife? That she be Mrs. Fiery? Or, oh, Father, I want my wife to be relaxed, Mrs. Friendly. Seriously? Do you see yourself so passionate, so on fire? I want things done. I want things done well, done fast. And sometimes you're even pushing for it so much to the point of hurting others. But it's okay, because this is a good goal. This must be done. Fiery, but not anymore friendly. Or do you know someone who is always relaxed, doesn't like to hurt anybody? And so probably he will always say, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, ma'am. No need to fight. Just let go. And it's okay. Friendly to everyone. Never hurting anyone. But maybe also not achieving anything really. Why am I talking about this? I think the Lord is telling us today, through the readings, especially the Gospel, be both. Be fiery. Don't be lukewarm. I have come to set the world on fire. Have that passion. Even to the point of sometimes having opposition, even from the ones you love and the ones who love you. Sometimes you've got to sacrifice being friendly for the sake, not of being fiery, but for being faithful. I think that's the third F that we all are invited to strive for. Being friendly is good, but sometimes you've got to give up being friendly and become fiery, not for fire's sake, but for God's sake. You are so faithful to the Lord. That is why you cannot let go of this. You've got to stand up for it. No. More than that, you've got to fight for it. Even if others might brand you not friendly at all. Have you had such an experience? I know, especially in this context of Malaysia, Kuching, there are some families with one Catholic, another is Anglican, Methodist, another is Freethinker, maybe another is Muslim. That is a situation that we find ourselves in. Is God asking us to convert everyone? I'm sure God is asking us to be convinced of our faith, even if it means others will not understand me, others will not appreciate me, others, even my own family, may even hate me. I am not really here to convince them. I am here to live up with conviction. I'm a Catholic. I am convinced about my faith. If by doing so, I am able to convince others, thanks be to God, puji Tuhan. But if not, it's okay. My purpose is not to convince them. My purpose is to live my life with conviction. Thank you, Lord, for reminding us. Sometimes, it's not enough to be Mr. Friendly to everyone. Sometimes, because we want to be Mr. Faithful every time, we need to be Mr. Fiery sometimes. And I'm sure we can apply this not only in matters regarding our faith, even in other matters in our life. Tomorrow, many of you will go back to work. Are you still on fire to go to work? Father, it's Sunday early morning. You're reminding me of Monday morning. You're spoiling my Sunday. Lord, help me. Let me gain back my zeal for my work. No matter who my boss is, my co-employees are, may I gain back that fire. Some of you are in relationships. Are you still on fire? With your wife, with your husband, with your family, your kids? more engrossed now with, I don't know what, with TikTok or Facebook or gambling or whatever. Lord, you have come to set the world on fire. Set me on fire, Lord. Bring back that fire in me for my family, for my job, for my work, for my studies, for my church. I know my young girl, she serves in Sunday school here. Even if she lives far away, Matang area, she has no car. But she comes here for Mass and for Sunday school, doing Grab. She's just one of the many here who has the fire. I will wake up early morning, it's Sunday. I will go to church. Wow, keep that fire burning. Before Mass, I sat down for confession. Many people lined up. I think some failed to have confession because it's already 7:30. Later, I can sit down again for those who. Wow, my faith is so fiery. I will humble myself. Say sorry to the Lord in confession. What is that something in your life that is not anymore that hot? Father, I like going to St. Peter's Church because of the air condition. Very cool here. I even wear my jacket. Be careful. Too much coolness might make you feel cold. Lord, bring that fire in me. Burn me, Lord. Bring that fire in me, in my work, in my schooling, in my family, in my church life. Bring that fire in me, in my love for you. May my faith in you grow even more. I'll repeat this. Sometimes we are told not to be Mr. Friendly, but to be Mr. Fiery. Why? Because we are Mr. Faithful. Thank you, Lord, for reminding us. Warm us with your love. Set us on fire.